Experience modern luxury and proven accessibility with this 2020 Honda Odyssey Wheelchair Accessible van, where premium comfort meets BraunAbility's trusted innovation. With only 33,340 miles, this Odyssey offers a perfect balance of reliability, performance, and advanced mobility design. Equipped with a BraunAbility automatic side entry in-floor conversion, it delivers smooth, effortless accessibility for everyday independence. The automatic in-floor ramp extends quietly and securely for easy access, then stows neatly out of sight to keep the interior clean and open. With a 52-inch long by 30-inch wide ramp and a 55-inch high door opening, this van easily accommodates most power chairs and mobility scooters. Whether you're driving or riding, it's designed to make every trip more enjoyable. Finished in a sleek white exterior with an elegant tan leather interior, this van combines premium style and practicality. Powered by Honda's dependable 3.5-liter V6 engine, it offers smooth, confident handling whether you're commuting in the city or cruising on the open road. This Odyssey is built for flexibility, featuring a driver's side turnout seat, a removable front passenger seat, and a sunroof for added comfort and natural light. This 2020 Honda Odyssey blends luxury, innovation, and BraunAbility's industry-leading accessibility. With low mileage and thoughtful features like a turnout seat and sunroof, it's the perfect choice for anyone who values comfort, flexibility, and performance. For more details, visit automobilitystore.com or call us today at 800-431-3183. Let us help you find the mobility van that matches your lifestyle.